Welcome to this video, a data-driven buyer's guide to choosing the perfect mixer grinder for the modern kitchen. We will focus on power, performance, and durability. Finding the right mixer grinder requires balancing three key kitchen capabilities: motor power for tough grinding, long-term reliability through advanced cooling, and jar versatility for tasks from kneading to blending. Never compromise on the foundational mechanics. Opt for a 100% copper motor for maximum efficiency and longevity, avoiding aluminum blends. Also, follow the 2/5 rule, a minimum 2-year product warranty and a 5-year motor warranty. Your household size and daily menu dictate your baseline wattage. 500W is for light tasks and minimalists. 750W is the sweet spot for tough masalas and versatile cooking. 1000W is the heavyweight for large batches and hard ingredients. 750 watts is the ideal sweet spot for daily versatile Indian cooking. Top models in this range include the Philips HL7756/00 for reliability, Prestige Iris as a mid-range favorite, and Preeti Zodiac for ultimate versatility, doubling as a food processor. Heavy-duty 1000-watt motors deliver the torque for hard spices and batters. Recommended models are the Bosch TrueMixx Pro for authentic stone-pounding texture, Sujata Dynamics for maximum 90-minute continuous running, and Prestige Endura as a comprehensive powerhouse 6-jar system. Compact 500-watt units are best for efficient daily prep in smaller households. The Bajaj Rex is an entry-level king. Crompton focuses on daily efficiency with its Powertron motor, and the Butterfly Jet Elite offers a sleek design at an accessible price point. Here is the definitive buyer's matrix for the best overall, heavy-duty, most durable, and budget options, comparing wattage, best use cases, and typical price ranges. Remember, power needs dictate wattage, but 100% copper motors and 5-year warranties dictate lifespan. Ready to upgrade? Check live pricing and availability on major platforms like Amazon or Flipkart to secure the best current value.